ko kanina yung kulay blue, yung aking eyeshadows. So, yun. Yun yung i-demo ko dito. So, first, I moisturize because lalo't matanda na tayo. Then, naglagay na tayo ng moisturizer. Tuyo na siya. Next. Para makita yung color ng eyeshadows, kailangan din maglagay ng kinakapitan niya. At ito ay parang base ng makeup. Since ang ating ituturo, hindi lang pala eyeshadows, para buong mukha na pala ito. Just kamay-kamay lang kasi ayoko nga ng brush, kaya kamay-kamay lang. Then, pagkatapos natin yan, siyempre makikita naman natin yan po. Okay na siya, diba? Then, isiset lang natin siya ng pulbo. Just Johnson lang. Diba? Pakadali lang. Pulbo ka lang. Iset lang natin siya. Then, magkilay na tayo. Napakadali lang magkilay, guys. Ang ituturo ko here is yung yung napakadali lang magkilay, guys. Yung gagamitin ko lang eyeshadow. Ito lang gamitin ko sa lahat, pati eyebrows. Sorry, nakalimutan, hindi ko pa na-check kung ano talagang pronunciation. So, kukuha lang ako ng ito, yung kulay brown, parang magka-skin natin yan. I-ano mo lang yun, i-feel, parang gayahin mo lang yung hugis ng iyong brows, yung labas niya. So, sa tingin ko naman okay na siya, ladies. Hindi pwede pala yung gentleman dito, ladies lang. Then, kaya tingnan nyo na lang sa salamin yung ano nyo. Kasi ako dito eh. Struggle is real. Kasi yung sunlight, tinitingnan ko kung saan ako hindi blurred. Yung parang makalaruhan kayo. Pagkatapos nun, iba-brush lang natin siya. Kahit anong brush. Brush lang natin yung ating na-fill in na eyeshadow. Eyeshadow powder dito sa ating... Naubo pa ako, guys. Sorry ah. Tandaan mo kung ilan yung stroke doon para magpantay. Ganon din yung gagawin mo dito sa kabila kung ilang stroke. Ito yung brush ko lang. Isang brush lang yan. Hindi naman importante kung ilan yung brush natin, guys. Kahit isa, punas-punas lang. Dapat ganyan, hindi siya maglampas. Okay? Excuse me. So, I think okay na siya. Then, lagyan natin siya ngayon ng gamitin lang natin yung ating finger kasi may napanood ako na dito yung eyelid. Yung ginagamit niya is kanyang ano lang para mag-pop up yung kulay talaga. Para Gusto ba ba't ako nauubo? Yun guys. Yung kamay lang natin gamitin natin para klaro yung ating eyeshadow daw. Gaya-gaya lang tayo. Pero ikaw, kung saan ka comfortable, kung brush or finger, pero ako ginaya ko siya kasi oo nga, parang mas pa nagpa-pop up na yung kulay pag yung finger mo lang. So, I think good na siya. Tapos, niyan guys, ito lang yung lightest dito sa ating eye palette. Tapos, i-highlight natin dito. Na-highlight ko na siya kanina. Kaso kasi, dagdagan ko lang. Kasi naubo ako, kaya lumabas ako ulit. Showing lang kung paano ginagawa. Tapos ito na rin yung pang mix. Kasi light naman yung color nito. Then, lagyan natin yung ating inner dito. Para daw mag-pop up. Yung parang gising. Kung parang inanto ka, lagyan mo para parang gising. Pag eyeshadow ng blue, lagyan natin to. So, yan lang. And then, maglagay tayo ng yung ano na, yung eyeliner. This LA eyeliner. Ganyan lang. Paste lang to guys. because on art, it's it depends on you, on how you do it yourself. I mean, on how you do it, how you put it in your face. It depends on you always. It not depends to what is good. It's about how you feel. I mean, if you're not, it's okay not to follow the rules on how to not to follow the rules on putting on makeup, because in the first place it's yourself. It's you are the one who gonna wear it. So what you feel comfortable for you, then do it. It's not about the opinion of others. Yes, opinion of others do matter, but not all the time. What's important is how you feel. If people advise you to do this because it's good, but you know that you don't feel good about it, then don't follow it. Okay, just trust in yourself. As long as you're not hurting anyone's feeling, then do what you think is what do you think that makes you happy. That's, as I grow old, I realize that life is about doing things that makes us happy. It's not about pleasing other people. Yes. So that's all, guys. I hope you nag-enjoy kayo sa simple makeup tutorial ko. Next time, I'll do yung parang lip gloss lang, then 3-in-1 na siya, for eyeshadow, for blush on, and for lipstick. So please watch out for that. I'm sorry that I am not shy to say that I am trying hard girl, because I really wanted to learn to speak English, because nowadays to work in a call center or to be a SL teachers, it doesn't requires a degree anymore for you to work on that jobs. What is necessary is that you can speak English. So that's why I'm a trying hard person to learn to speak English, and so I make my YouTube channel so I could practice to speak, and also I can practice to speak, and also to be at ease with people, because how it feels when you are in the interview, right? Because people that experience to be in the interviews, not all the time but often, because it's hard to find job without you being interviewed. So that's why this is also part of my practice, to be at ease when speaking, in my speaking, and also my used to, so I'll be used to speaking. So that's all. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe and like. Thank you so much. Have a good day, everyone.